The Gaggenau gas cooktop stretches out to a generous 90 centimeters that sits proudly on the benchtop. Crafted from stainless steel, the large central burner is armed with an extraordinary 18 megajoule of cooking power and is surrounded by 2 high power and 2 standard burners. Beneath the solid cast iron supports, heat-resistant brass burners provide 9 power levels and a precise flame size that effortlessly replicates cooking results, time and time again. The electronic ignition offers precise power regulation, while the flame for each burner allows the gentlest of simmering and at full power enables high-speed wok and flash frying. The subtly illuminated control dials sit proudly on the integrated stainless steel control panel. And for added safety, they also act as a residual heat indicator, flashing intermittently as a gentle reminder. Capable of creative, professional cooking and with up to 61.2 megajoules of heat, this cooktop is as powerful as it looks.